Hi, my name is Yaroslav Popov and I come from Russia. I'm the CEO of Digitas Engage agency in Russia, and I'm here in Las Vegas for CES 2013.
What would you say is the biggest trend to come out of CES this year?
From my point of view, one of the biggest thing, it's actually, I noticed it from last year also, it's the connectivity. It's basically when everybody's thinking how to connect different devices together, different medias, etc. So all consumers have all sorts of different things, and they focus on different types of devices. So one of the big things is connectivity. But for example, like the implications which we have, and which I would say about Russia, is that the Russians are one of the most social nations in the world. They use not the Facebook, but Odnoklassniki and VKontakte, the biggest Russian Facebook kind of thing. So for them, all these connectivity comes through social. So one of the main thing, the trend from CES and what people are talking about is basically how this can be applied in Russia in the social. How people are connected to each other, how different devices are connected to each other through social.
Thank you very much.